Uy, charap naman. And then your tummy. Wow, sarap. Hi guys! So for today's video, ayan, sa lahat po ng mga naghahanap ng commercial para kay Meteor, pwede na po siya. Dahil ang galing niya po umarte. Kakatapos siya lang kainin ang apple. Ngayon naman kumakain siya ng potato. Meteor, can you show them the yummy and the yummy face? Go! You hold first the potato. Hold the one potato. And then, show me the yummy. Go! Close your eyes. Uy, charap naman. And then your tummy. Wow, sarap.
Pwede na sa commercial yung anak ko.
Pwede na.
Pwede na.
Pwede na. Again, you bite it slowly. Slowly. Wow. And then your tummy. Oh, may panggigil ba yan? Marunong na to.
Oh, nananawagan po kami dyan sa mga gusto commercial na bata. Oh, ayan si Nicho.
Oh, you say, get me guys. Like this, get me. Like this, you do this, get me. Again, show them the yummy face and do like this one, you're rubbing your tummy. Go! Wow.
Ang sarap naman kumain ng bata.
And then your tummy. Like that. Go! Pag ganyan-ganyan lang yan guys, kanina naubos niya na yung apple. Ngayon naman yung potato niya. Wait, what do you want to be? A contractor or artist? Artist. Oh, show me the artist. Uy! Grabe naman. Mga ganyan yung artist, oh. How about the yummy face? Bite first, bite it slowly. And then, close your eyes and yummy. Wow, grabe talaga naman. What do you want? A milk or a potato? Anong commercial kukuha sa'yo? A milk? Potato? Potato? Do you want? May mga may potato daw dyan, guys. O, kuhain nyo. Nyam. O, show the viewers the nyam like that. O, nyam. You eat. You eat the potato. Nyam. And then your tummy again. Tummy. Close your eyes. Marunong na.
Kaliga, high five! Kaling, anak.
Mayaman siya.
Yayaman ka sa pagka-artista commercial. Bagay sa yan.
Oh, Meteor, show me the sarap-sarap. Go. Sarap. Close your eyes. Sarap. Like this, or rub your tummy. Feel niya talaga, guys. It's a good. Wait. You say it's a good. It's a yummy. How about this one? So yummy! You shout, go. Again, louder and shout. Again. Like this, so yummy! Again, show to mommy. Kunin nyo na guys yun sa commercial Again, one more. Bite the potato and show me the sarap. And do this. Close your eyes. Good job, Meteor! Yan guys, kung gusto niya kunin sa commercial, grabe talaga. Hindi pa tumitigil. Sarap? You say bye-bye na to the viewers. Bye! Flying kiss.